Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 20 delicious and powerful drink combinations that can help manage and prevent high blood pressure, boost immune system, boost energy level, cleanse the liver, and reduces inflammation. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stick around to learn some easy and tasty ways to support your heart health naturally. Let's get started. Number 1 is Green Detox Smoothie. These are the ingredients for Green Detox Smoothie: spinach, cucumber, green apple, lemon juice, ginger, and coconut water. Here are the health benefits for this amazing juice. This is a powerhouse smoothie for detoxification. Spinach is loaded with iron and antioxidants, helping fight off oxidative stress. Cucumber adds hydration, green apple gives fiber, lemon juice is alkalizing and helps cleanse the liver, and ginger adds a bit of warmth and aids digestion. Finally, coconut water provides natural electrolytes, making this smoothie the ultimate refresher. Let us prep this simple drink for our consumption. 1. Start with a handful of fresh spinach. 2. Add half a cucumber and a green apple, both chopped. 3. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. 4. Toss in a small piece of ginger. 5. Pour in a cup of coconut water. 6. Blend until smooth and enjoy. Number 2 is Turmeric Golden Milk. These are the ingredients for Turmeric Golden Milk Super Drink: turmeric, almond or coconut milk, black pepper, honey, and cinnamon. Here are the health benefits for this super drink. This golden drink is all about reducing inflammation. Turmeric is packed with curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory, and black pepper boosts its absorption. Almond or coconut milk provides a creamy base, honey sweetens, and cinnamon adds warmth and balances blood sugar. Now, let's prep this super drink for our consumption. 1. Heat a cup of almond or coconut milk on the stove. 2. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 3. Mix in a pinch of black pepper and a dash of cinnamon. 4. Sweeten with a teaspoon of honey. 5. Stir well and pour into your favorite mug. Perfect for relaxing in the evening. Number 3 is Berry Blast Antioxidant Drink. These are the ingredients for this amazing drink: mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, Greek yogurt, honey, and a splash of almond milk. Here are the health benefits for this powerful smoothie. This drink is a berry-packed boost for your immunity and energy. Berries are high in antioxidants like vitamin C, Greek yogurt provides probiotics for gut health, and almond milk makes it smooth and creamy. It's perfect for a quick, refreshing lift. Let's prep this super smoothie for our consumption. 1. Start with a handful of mixed berries: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. 2. Add half a cup of Greek yogurt. 3. Drizzle in a teaspoon of honey. 4. Pour in a splash of almond milk. 5. Blend until smooth and vibrant. Then sip and enjoy the fruity goodness. Number 4 is Citrus Ginger Sparkler. These are the ingredients for this amazing drink: fresh orange juice, lemon juice, ginger, sparkling water, and mint. Here are the health benefits for this powerful drink. This fizzy treat is loaded with vitamin C and aids digestion. The ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, while mint adds a cooling, refreshing touch. Let's prep this powerful drink for our consumption. 1. Squeeze the juice of 1 orange and half a lemon. 2. Add a small piece of grated ginger. 3. Pour in sparkling water for a bubbly finish. 4. Stir well, add a few fresh mint leaves, and enjoy a fizzy refreshment that's perfect for summer. Number 5 is Beetroot Power Juice. These are the ingredients for this power juice: fresh beetroot, apple, carrot, and a squeeze of lemon. These are the health benefits. This juice is a blood flow booster. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which improve circulation, while apple and carrot add fiber, and lemon helps the body absorb all the nutrients. Let's prep this power juice. 1. Start with 1 fresh beetroot, peeled and chopped. 2. Add 1 apple and 1 carrot, both chopped. 3. Squeeze in a bit of lemon juice. 4. Juice all ingredients together, pour, and enjoy the deep red goodness. Number 6 is Herbal Hibiscus Iced Tea. The ingredients for this herbal iced tea are dried hibiscus flowers, water, lemon juice, and honey. And these are the health benefits. This drink is great for heart health, as hibiscus can help lower blood pressure. It's full of antioxidants, refreshing, and slightly tart, making it ideal as a cool afternoon drink. Let's prepare this herbal tea for our consumption. 1. Boil 2 cups of water and add a handful of dried hibiscus flowers. 2. Let steep for about 10 minutes, then strain. 3. Once cooled, add a squeeze of lemon juice and a touch of honey. 4. Serve over ice and enjoy the gorgeous ruby red color and flavor. Number 7 is avocado lime smoothie. The ingredients for this special smoothie is avocado, lime juice, honey, spinach, and coconut milk. And the health benefits for this special smoothie. This smoothie is creamy and satisfying, with healthy fats from avocado for heart health. Spinach adds iron, lime brings vitamin C, and coconut milk provides hydration and a tropical flavor. Now, let's prepare this delicious smoothie. 1. Scoop half an avocado into your blender. 2. Add a handful of spinach. 3. Squeeze in the juice of half a lime. 4. Add a teaspoon of honey and a cup of coconut milk. 5. Blend until creamy, then enjoy this nourishing green smoothie. Number 8 is chia seed lemonade. Here are the ingredients: lemon juice, water, chia seeds, and maple syrup. And this are the health benefits. Chia seeds are high in fiber and omega-3s, making this drink filling and hydrating. It's a simple, healthy twist on traditional lemonade. Let's prepare this lovely lemonade. 1 in a glass. Mix the juice of 1 lemon with a cup of water. 2. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds and stir well. 3. Sweeten with a touch of maple syrup. 4. Let sit for 10 minutes to allow the chia seeds to swell, then enjoy. Number 9 is matcha mint ice latte. Let's check out the ingredients for this special latte: matcha powder, almond milk, fresh mint leaves, and honey. These are the health benefits. Matcha is an energizing tea full of antioxidants. It boosts metabolism, and with almond milk and mint, this drink is refreshing and gives a calm, focused energy boost. Let's get to work and prepare this latte. 1 in a small bowl. Whisk a teaspoon of matcha powder with a bit of warm water until smooth. 2. Pour over a cup of almond milk. 3. Add a few fresh mint leaves and a teaspoon of honey. 4. Stir, add ice, and enjoy this vibrant green, refreshing latte. Number 10 is coconut pineapple refresher. Here are the ingredients for this refresher: coconut water, pineapple juice, lime juice, and fresh mint. The health benefits: this is the ultimate tropical hydration. Coconut water replenishes electrolytes, pineapple aids digestion, and lime and mint add a citrusy, cooling freshness. Let's prepare this wonderful drink. 1. Pour 1 cup of coconut water into a glass. 2. Add half a cup of pineapple juice and a squeeze of lime. 3. Stir in a few fresh mint leaves. 4. Mix, add ice, and enjoy this refreshing tropical treat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Number 11 is lavender lemonade. These are the ingredients: fresh lemon juice, lavender tea, honey, and water. The amazing health benefits of this powerful drink. This drink is all about relaxation and stress relief. Lavender is known for its calming properties, making this lemonade perfect for unwinding. The lemon juice brings a refreshing tartness and a vitamin C boost, while honey adds natural sweetness. Preparation steps for this power drink. 1. Brew a cup of lavender tea and let it cool. 2. In a large glass, mix in the juice of 1 fresh lemon. 3. Add a teaspoon of honey, then pour in the cooled lavender tea. 4. Stir, add ice, and enjoy the soothing effects of lavender with a refreshing citrus twist. Number 12 is mango ginger smoothie. These are the ingredients: fresh mango, ginger, yogurt, and a splash of orange juice. The packed health benefits: this tropical smoothie is packed with immune-boosting vitamin C and probiotics. Mango provides natural sweetness and fiber, ginger supports digestion, and yogurt adds creaminess and gut-friendly probiotics. It's perfect for a delicious energy boost. How to prepare this powerful smoothie. 1. Dice 1 fresh mango and add it to the blender. 2. Toss in a small piece of ginger for that zingy kick. 3. Add half a cup of yogurt and a splash of orange juice. 4. Blend until smooth, pour, and enjoy this sunny, tropical treat. Number 13 is cucumber mint cooler. These are the ingredients: cucumber, fresh mint, lime juice, and sparkling water. The health benefits: refreshing and hydrating. This cooler supports skin health and detoxification. Cucumber is packed with water and vitamins, mint soothes digestion, and lime juice adds a tangy kick. Steps to prepare this lovely drink. 1. Slice half a cucumber and add to a glass. 2. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves. 3. Squeeze in the juice of half a lime. 4. Top with sparkling water, add ice, and enjoy this ultra-refreshing, low-calorie drink. Number 14 is apple cinnamon infused water. These are the ingredients: sliced apple, cinnamon sticks, and water. Here are the health benefits: a naturally flavored water that supports blood sugar control and heart health. The apples provide subtle sweetness and fiber, while cinnamon offers antioxidants and helps with blood sugar regulation. Let's prepare this powerful drink for our consumption. 1. Thinly slice 1 apple and place it in a pitcher. 2. Add a cinnamon stick for warmth and spice. 3. Fill the pitcher with water and let it infuse for a couple of hours. 4. Pour over ice and enjoy a subtly sweet, cinnamon-spiced hydration boost. Number 15 is pineapple turmeric smoothie. These are the ingredients: pineapple, turmeric powder, banana, and coconut milk. Also the powerful health benefits: this smoothie combines anti-inflammatory turmeric with the tropical sweetness of pineapple. Turmeric supports immune health and reduces inflammation, while pineapple and banana provide vitamins and a natural sweetness. Steps to prepare this powerful smoothie. 1. Add a cup of pineapple chunks and 1 banana to the blender. 2. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 3. Pour in a cup of coconut milk for creaminess. 4. Blend until smooth and enjoy this vibrant, mood-boosting smoothie. Number 16 is carrot orange ginger juice. These are the ingredients: carrot, orange, ginger, and a touch of lemon. The powerful health benefits: packed with beta-carotene and vitamin C, this juice is a treat for your skin and immune system. Carrots support eye health. Orange adds sweetness and antioxidants, and ginger is great for digestion. Steps to prepare this powerful drink. 1. Juice 2 carrots and 1 orange. 2. Add a small piece of ginger for that zesty touch. 3. Squeeze in a bit of lemon juice to brighten it up. 4. Stir, pour over ice, and enjoy this vibrant, nutrient-packed juice. Number 17 is peppermint green tea iced tea. These are the ingredients: brewed green tea, fresh peppermint leaves, lemon slices, and honey. The health benefits: this iced tea combines the antioxidant power of green tea with the digestive support of peppermint. It's perfect for a refreshing energy boost, and peppermint is also known for soothing headaches. Here are the steps to prepare this wonderful drink. 1. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. 2. Add fresh peppermint leaves and a slice of lemon. 3. Sweeten with a teaspoon of honey. 4. Pour over ice and enjoy this cool, refreshing iced tea that's as energizing as it is soothing. Number 18 is spiced chai latte. These are the ingredients: black tea, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, almond milk, and honey. The powerful health benefits: this warming chai latte is full of antioxidants and digestive benefits. Cinnamon and ginger provide anti-inflammatory properties, and almond milk gives a dairy-free creaminess. The steps to prepare this spice latte. 1. Brew a cup of black tea. 2. Add a dash of cinnamon, a pinch of cardamom, and a small piece of ginger. 3. Pour in a cup of warm almond milk. 4. Sweeten with a teaspoon of honey, stir, and enjoy this cozy, spicy latte for a soothing break. Number 19 is papaya citrus smoothie. These are the ingredients: papaya, orange juice, Greek yogurt, and a hint of lime. The health benefits: this smoothie is a tropical treat for digestion and skin health. Papaya is full of enzymes that aid digestion, Greek yogurt adds creaminess and probiotics, and citrus provides a tangy vitamin C boost. Let's prepare this powerful smoothie. 1. Add a cup of fresh papaya chunks to the blender. 2. Pour in half a cup of orange juice. 3. Add a scoop of Greek yogurt and a squeeze of lime. 4. Blend until smooth, pour, and enjoy this refreshing, tropical smoothie. Number 20 is kale and pineapple green juice. Here are the ingredients: kale, pineapple, cucumber, and lemon. The health benefits: this green juice is loaded with vitamins A and C, making it a refreshing way to boost your daily intake of greens. Kale provides fiber, pineapple adds sweetness, cucumber is hydrating, and lemon brightens up the flavors. Preparation steps for this powerful drink. 1. Add a handful of kale, half a cup of pineapple chunks, and a few cucumber slices to the juicer. 2. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. 3. Juice everything together, pour, and enjoy this nutrient-dense green juice to kickstart your day. These drinks are quick to make and packed with powerful nutrients to boost health and refresh your day. Try them out and share your thoughts in the comments. Enjoy these healthy sips. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration.